Evolution Epoch provides a more intuitive configuration for faster schedule setup and iteration. New dynamic solids pit models integrate both block and solids model types. To get started, select the new pit dynamic solids import model option. Select a Vulkan block model and triangulation solids using the File Explorer. Select the Run option to complete the transform and import your model. Open the model from the File Explorer to review the imported model. Apply predefined color bands to better understand your model attributes. Create a new epoch setup using the Epoch New Setup option. Specify a name for the new setup, adjust date ranges, enable optional components, and select Accumulation Mode to specify end-of-period material targets. Drag and drop models onto the flowchart and add necessary process components. Link material sources and destinations using the flowchart connectors. Move to the Viewer tab to visualize models and further configure the setup. Drag and drop road network and waypoint collection onto the viewer to incorporate haulage analysis in the setup. Apply model coloring using defined color bands onto the model. Provide more context to your setup by loading mine topography in the viewer. Add resolution to your short-range plan by cutting dynamic solids models to reflect an operational mining sequence. Utilize the Direct Cut option to define simple solid cuts. Select the input solid to be cut. Live feedback including tonnage and grades is provided in the cutting panel to inform the cutting process. After the cut face has been drawn, right-click and select the cut option to complete the solid cut. To perform automated cuts, select the Target Seeking Cut tab. Review the accumulation item, equipment, and task list settings prior to populating the cut targets. Populate the target quantities based on equipment capacity or desired cut size. Select Input Solid for automated cutting. Define the cut face under the Cut Method section of the panel. Digitize the cutting face on screen and provide a mining direction. With all inputs provided, choose between Perform All Cuts or Cut Single Target. Completed cuts are automatically added to the specified task list. Interactively review the task list sequence by hovering over tasks in the list. Configure task list accumulation summary report to better understand task quantities, grades, and material parcels. Selected tasks are totaled in the bottom of the task list. Validate the setup through the Schedule Playback tab. With successful quick validation, step through the sequence using the single or multi-step buttons. Open the live dashboard by selecting the dashboard option in the reporting section. Open a saved dashboard or create a new one. Adjust the window layout to view both the schedule viewer and dashboard simultaneously. The simplified Evolution Epoch workflow allows for quick schedule setup and faster iteration of your short-range plan. Thanks for watching. For more information about Evolution Epoch, please visit maptek.com.